Greetings, this is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can use this PowerPoint presentation here to record our screen. Yes, but how we're going to do it. The first thing we wanted to do is to come right up here. It says new slide. We're going to look for a blank slide, right, that we can put the recording on. So we're going to come right here and we're going to select the blank slide. So there we go, we have the blank slide. The next thing that we want to do is come to the top where the tab is. We're going to click on the word insert. You click on the word insert, come to your far right. If you notice right here, it's a screen recording. So you're going to click on that. Screen recording. You notice right here, you show that you can actually stop it. Show that you can actually pin it. Right here, you can select the cursor, and this itself is the mic. And if you notice when you click on this, you notice it bring a plus. That means you can select at here on the screen. And here is where you actually stop it. And right here, you record it. If I take the mouse off it, you notice it become a plus. So I'm going to select here on the screen. So I'm going to come like this along the left side of the mouse. I touch button and draw the ear that I want to record. Notice as soon as I draw the ear that I want to record, you notice the recording section right here. Just come on, just like that. And just as it come on right here, so what you want it to do, definitely in that particular section here, you're going to click on the record. So when you click on the record, to give you a timer, notice it show you shortcut key, shift, and that. So I'm going to record something here. So I'm going to open a Microsoft Word document by right click on it. Notice you bring up this little window here. I'm going to come across right here, say new. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to say document, right? I'm going to copy it. I'm going to right click on it. And everything that I'm actually doing right here, I'm going to record, right? So I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to click on paste right here. Just the same. I'm going to try and move them. Put it like that. Good. When I finish, what I can actually do, I can come up with the top here. Notice right here, show me can pause it. Here show that I can stop it. If I click right here, stop it. Now it's going to appear back here on the blank sheet that I actually create somewhere. Alright. Now we see it on the blank sheet. What you can actually do right here, notice you can actually format it right here. You can play it right here. But if you come right here, say play back. Show that I can actually trim the video right here. You can extend it back. But in order to save it on the desktop, you're going to put the cursor on it. Right click like that. When you right click, if you notice right here, it says save as media, you click on that. Then it's going to bring up the window over here. You can actually save it. So you're going to come right here, click on the desktop. Then I'm going to look at it. Definitely record. I'm going to type the word record here. Then I'm going to press save. As I press save, definitely if I come like this and I minimize this, this is what I actually just done a while ago. Right, very important. So if you learn something from this, remember to share to your friend and consider give it a thumbs and subscribe.